Thank you very much to Enshine for sending in this A60 smart bulb. Okay then, so we have another smart bulb here at Rathbone Manor to try out. This is from Enshine. As you can see, it's A+ rated, 16 million colours, no hub required, smooth dimming, remote access, scheduled, Wi-Fi enabled as well. You can control it from this app here, which we'll be taking a look at. And there are some more details if you wish to pause it just here. Okay, now I'm quite impressed by the way this bulb is packaged. It's very well protected. In fact, let's get it out and take a look at it. Alrighty, so we get some little user manual here to go with it, giving you all the details you need about how to install and set up your bulb. Okay, pull the packaging out. This is what I like about it. Okay, so we've got the bulb itself is wrapped in this little bag to protect it, and the little bayonet mount on the other end has got a little plastic cap on it too. I'm quite impressed with this actually. Can we get it out of the packaging? Alrighty, so it looks like we're going to have to get the cap off. Blimey, that's tight. God, well, let's put on there. Well, little plastic cap there. Take it out of the little protective bag. And here we have the bulb. In this case, it's a standard bayonet mount on here. Feels quite nice. Nice quality. And it is a direct replacement for your standard bulbs. Just plug it in and you're away. Okay, to make it easier for me to demonstrate this bulb, I'm going to use this flying lead here on my review bench. So simply plug it in and switch it on and see what happens. Right, there we go, it's on. So it works. This bulb uses the Smart Life app, as you can see here. Okay, so that's how easy this thing is to connect to the app. It says power on the device, then we press next, where it tells you to switch on the bulb on and off, until we get it to flash rapidly apparently. Okay, so there we go. Now it says next here. Confirm indicator rapidly blink. Okay, so now I have input my password. Press next. Adding device. Ensure that Wi-Fi signal is good. Ensure that, there we go. We're still counting down here, as you can see, adding the device. Takes a little while to do this bit. There we go. So we're done now. Added successfully, it says there. Done. Right in. So now we should be able to control the bulb with the app. Right, so here we go. Now we can power the bulb down. There it goes. Dims out quite nicely. Back on again. Brightness. Which we can dim right down, look, as you can see. Bring it back up again, and we can also change the colour on it to this sort of a more yellowy, warmy colour, or back round to cold white again. Very easy. Colour, you can change the colour. We're in red at the moment, as you can see. Move it round to purple there, blue, green, yellowy colour there. So these sliders here can control the brightness of the bulb. You can see it's dimmed it down to red there. Push it back again, and this one just slide it along to change the colours again. Blue. The intensity of the blue there is going on and off. Hopefully you can see that. We've moved along to the scene again. This is night time. This is read. Got working. Slightly bluer colour. We've got leisure. Okay. Soft, which is a greeny colour again. We've got colourful. What's that doing then? Oh, it's just going to go flash slowly through different colours by the looks of it. Dazzling? What does dazzling do? Okay, that runs through some colours as well. And then we have gorgeous, which runs through colours a lot quicker by the looks of things. And over here we have left time. At the minute it's got 0 hours and 0 minutes. So let's have a look what if we change to 1 minute and click OK. See what happens. Success, it says here. What's it doing? Hopefully, in theory, it should be counting down until it turns off. Off after 1 minute, it says here. And there it goes. So you can schedule it to go off for like several hours or minutes, whichever you like. Okay then, so as you can see, this is another very easy to set up smart bulb, controllable with the app. It's also voice controllable too, so you can use Google Home to control it. Okay, so here's my Google Home, Google Assistant Home. Here's the bulb we're looking at now. Turn it off. There it goes, it's off. Back on again. Here is the device, 1% brightness. We can turn it right up there. Halfway down. Power it off. I like the way this one dims out as opposed to going straight off. There we go. Colour. We can change the colours of it too. Very clever. So you should be able to speak to it too. And now I can control this bulb, which is in the bedroom, via voice control. Turn on bedroom light.
Got it. Turning YX sync IIC 33 meters are on.
There we go. And we can turn it off too. Turn off bedroom light.
Got it. Turning YX sync IIC 33 meters are off.
Nice. Okay then, so another interesting smart bulb. You can control it with the Smart Life app, or you can control it with your Google Home Assistant as well. Very clever. I quite like these things. I've got several of them around the house now. Okay, so let's thank Enshine once again for sending in this very nice little smart bulb here. As I say, it's a direct replacement for any of your standard bayonet mount bulbs. Alright guys, well hope you enjoyed taking a look at this bulb with me. Hope I made it look easy, and it is quite easy to set this bulb up with the app, with your Wi-Fi. It's very clever. Who'd have ever thought bulbs would get this clever, eh? I didn't. Alright then guys, well thanks for popping over to Rathbone Manor again. Thanks for taking a look at yet another smart bulb with me, and I hope you'll pop back for another review in the near future then. Alright then guys, thanks for watching.
Ruff, ruff.